Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete items from Wishlist on Temu. To delete an item from Wishlist on Temu, the first thing to do is to open the Temu application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. After you're logged into Temu, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Inside the U button, scroll down and tap open the Wishlist tab. Here you will be able to see all of your items that you've added on the wishlist. Click on See All, and then from the list of wishlists that you've added, go ahead and swipe the wishlist towards the left hand side, and to remove your item, tap on Remove. You can repeat this step for every other item you'd like to delete from your wishlist. And that way you will be able to delete items from Wishlist on Temu. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.